Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for being here at our Tech Table Talk video. It's great to have such a strong group of CTE educators together today. I'd like to introduce our three instructors, Mr. Sean Riley from Medical Assisting, Ms. Erin Dempsey from Culinary Arts, and Mr. Jeramy Dermont from Welding. Each of you brings unique experience, passion, and perspective to the work that we do with students every day. Career and technical education plays a powerful role in helping students discover their strengths, build confidence, and develop skills that lead to meaningful careers and further education. I'm going to start off with a few guiding questions to spark some conversation. Why is teaching career and technical education important to you?
Coming from industry, I believe that my ability in the classroom to help lay the groundwork for the students to be successful within my industry in the future is paramount for what's best for healthcare. I believe that the students having as many opportunities in the future is not only great for the tech campus, but it's also great for our local communities as well.
Working in the field for as long as I had so many different interviewers coming in that had no idea what was going on. So I figured might as well get the chance to show these kids while they're still in high school, before they get out of high school, how to kind of do a trade. Here I have the chance to show them how to do it, and then I can show them how to be professional about it and lead them in the right direction.
For me, in our industry, it's able to teach the students real life experiences and hands-on experiences rather than just sitting in a classroom and someone teaching you, oh, this is what happens if you're in a restaurant kitchen. They're getting the hands-on experience. They have those hands-on experiences and training that employers are looking for.
Here's the next one. What's one key takeaway that you hope every student leaves your program with?
I think one of the greatest things that we offer here as far as a vocational school is concerned is that we give the students an opportunity to try different things out, different positions out to see if that's actually a fit for them. So as long as they go ahead and give it their all while they are here during the school year, even if they determine that at the end of the school year that it isn't necessarily for them and not necessarily the direction they want to go in, I still think it's a valuable experience for them to be able to cross that off their list and be able to go ahead and focus their attention elsewhere if they need to.
It's nice that each classroom doesn't have every kid from the same school, so they're being able to work with others and they're learning how to work with others, because when you go to work, you don't work with your best friends. You have to go into a workplace and learn to work well with others no matter what the circumstances and be professional about it. So that's one takeaway I'd like for them to have, is working well with people that you don't know and getting used to that, because it's not always going to be your best friend.
And building your network of people throughout the county and the region.
Yeah.
In general, I would say I want them to take away being able to be professional, understanding how to interview, being professional in the workplace, learning time management. Especially in our industry, you have to learn how to work fast-paced and under pressure. Specific to culinary, I would say the main things I want them to take away is how to properly use equipment, how to be able to work safely and sanitary. There's just basic things we really want them to learn, but overall I think professionalism is a big part of it.
We talk a lot about our students, but we're also building a bridge between student and industry. So what is one ask you would have for the industry partners we have?
I think for medical assisting, because of the age restrictions, I think one of the asks I would have for the industry partners is to consider giving a greater amount of shadowing opportunities. I think the students coming out of the medical assistant program have an enormous amount of skills as far as, not just professionalism, but administrative and clinical skills as well. And I think they have a lot to offer the different industry partners. They just have to be given a chance.
Shadowing, I think, is a big thing. That's what we really wish we had more of, but where they could actually go and what is called staging, where they're going and actually following an executive chef or a sous chef or whoever it might be, and they're able to see what they do and kind of have a mentor, if you will.
Yeah, I'm gonna agree with both of you guys. The shadowing is really important. In our industry, you typically have to be 18 or older to work in a factory or a custom fab shop. Just getting them in the door as a junior would be very helpful, because a lot of times most of the companies that are partners with us are 18 or older just for insurance. But to get someone in there just a shadow, just because watching someone, that's, you know, a lot of our teaching. At least for me, I do demos with everything I do. Them just watching that is just helping them even further understand what's going on.
Well, thank you all for taking the time to share your perspectives and experience. It's always inspiring to hear the passion and dedication that each of you bring to your programs and to our students. I truly appreciate your time and insights and work that you do every day with our students. Thank you for being part of the discussion.
Pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you.